Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Rego Park. This is the entrance. There's a double door closet on the entrance. This is the living room, very large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. It's the larger bedroom here. There's a double door closet. Windows in the bedroom. Bathroom, renovated, clean. And this is the kitchen. It's got a lot of cabinets, windows in the kitchen. And this is the second bedroom. It's a decent sized bedroom. It's got 2 windows. And there's a door you can close. It has a closet for this bedroom. Also, there is access through the living room. Another door. It's the living room. Beautiful apartment. Elevator building, laundry in the building. 1 block from the train. Very close to the Sears, Marshall, and Queen Center Mall, near grocery shops, banks, restaurants. The apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me, text me so you can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.